Good morning, students. From today, we will start our second chapter, fraction and decimal. Okay, so first we will discuss about fractions. Fraction is not a new concept. You have already studied about fractions in class 6. Okay, and you know very well about fractions. So, fraction is a part of whole. Okay, fraction is a part of whole. For example, if I am taking a circle, okay, circle, okay, and I am dividing a circle into two parts. One part is this and one part is this. Okay, so I will write as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Okay, and it is a fraction, part of a whole. Okay, part of a whole, two parts of a one complete circle. Okay, similarly, if I divide the circle into three parts, okay, so I can write as 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Okay, so and it is not necessary that the fractions are only 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4. Okay, they may be 5 upon 6, 7 upon 4, etc. Okay, so now we will define as fractions are those numbers which are written in the form of a upon b, where b does not equals to 0 and a and b are whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers from start from 0 to infinite. Okay, 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay, and b does not equals to 0. B does not equals to 0 mean if suppose 2 upon 0, it is a fraction? No, because if 0 is, so if you will write 0 in denominator, then its value is not defined. Okay, so we will never write 0 in denominator. Okay, okay, there are many types of fractions. There are many types of fractions. So first, proper fractions. In proper fraction, denominator is greater than numerator. Okay, denominator is greater than numerator. Okay, for example 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6, etc. Okay, here denominator is 2 and numerator is 2 and denominator is 3, and 3 is greater than 2. Okay, these fractions are proper fractions. Similarly, improper fractions are opposite to proper fractions. In improper fraction, denominator is less than numerator. Okay, denominators is less than numerator. For example, 3 upon 2 and 6 upon 4. Okay, here numerator is 3 and denominator is 2, or 3 is greater than 2. Okay, and third is mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction are the combination of whole and fractions. Okay, for example 2 whole 3 upon 4. Okay, 2 whole 3 upon 4, 5, 1 upon 6, etc. Okay, and you know that how we will convert mixed fraction into simple fraction. Okay, so 2 3 upon 4. So first we will multiply 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8, and 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Okay, it is a simple fraction. Okay, now it's opposite. Convert simple fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so for this we will divide 6 by 4. Okay, 6 by 4. Now remainder is 2. Okay, many students have confusion. Okay, there is a simple way to write it. How? This and this. Okay, now you can see here 2 is in downside. Okay, so here 4 is right in place of 2, and now 1 is in place of 4 and 2 is come in place of 1. ओके, 4 नीचे आ जाएगा, 2 यहाँ आ जाएगा और 1 4 की जगह आ जाएगा. सिर्फ आपको यहाँ पर ऐसे एरो बना लेने हैं. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज लाइक फ्रैक्शन. लाइक फ्रैक्शन मीन्स सेम डिनोमिनेटर्स. ओके, same denominator, for example 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. These fractions are like fractions. Why? Because they have same denominator. Okay, and unlike fractions are opposite of like fractions, different denominators. They have different denominators. For example 2 upon 4, 1 upon 3 and 5 upon 6. Okay, here 4, 3, 6, all denominators are different. Okay, so unlike fractions have different denominators. Okay, so these are the types of fractions, and next topics are addition of fractions, subtraction, division and multiplication, and we will discuss about these topics tomorrow. Today I will give you some basic and easy questions. These questions will help you to remind the old concepts. Okay,